Today is 2/9/29. Which date is today? Today is 2/9/29 of January 2021 and the day is Friday. Look at the picture, all of you. The blue box is here in which the date is written 2/9/29. The day is Friday and month and year. Yes. So today the date is 2/9/29 of January 2021 and the day is Friday. Acha, who will tell me what comes after Friday? What comes after Friday? Saturday and Sunday. Good. That will be your holidays. Very good. Now everybody please stand up for the prayer. Please stand up, join your hands and close your eyes for the Gayatri Mantra. Good morning, Krishna. Please stand up, everybody. Yes, join your hands and close your eyes for the Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yohna Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yohna Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yohna Prachodayat. Om Shanti 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 Om. Now open your eyes. We will do thank you God prayer. Thank you God for the world so sweet. Thank you God for the food we eat. Thank you God that the birds are flying. Thank you God for everything. Thank you God. Yes, we should say thank you to God every day, right? So everybody please stand up on the floor for the exercise. Exercise time. Everybody needs to stand up. Very good. Yes, everyone start the exercise with me. Straight above your head. Straight your hands. Straight. Bend down and touch your toes. Once again, straight your hands above your head. Bend down and touch your toes. Yes. Now open your hands. Take it above your head and do a namaste. Yes. Once again, straight, stand straight. Open your arms. Take it above your head and do a namaste. Very good. Now we will do the Surya Namaskar. Take the support. Put your one leg over the another. Put your one leg over the another leg. Try to balance yourself. And after that, you will do a namaste above your head. Very good. Again, relax and do it again. Put your one leg over the another. Try to balance yourself first. Then do a namaste above your head. Yes, very good. Very good. Now, open your legs. On your legs, we need to touch our right feet with the left hand and left feet with the right hand. Count with me till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now next, what you need to do, you need to fold your knee and take the second leg backward. Put your hands on your knees. Put your hand on your knee, fold it, and second leg straight. What we need to do, we need to fold our knees a bit and take your second leg backward straight. Like this, you will be doing the another leg. Fold this leg and take the second leg backward, straight. Yes. Very good. Now, take your right hand to the left side, left hand to the right side. Count with me till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Now take your hands straight, parallel to your waist. Yes. Now you need to move your knees upward and try to touch your hands. Very good, Yagvi. 10 times you need to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now we will play a game of jumping on one foot. Okay? We will play a game of jumping on one foot. 10 times you need to jump on one foot. Only one. Try to balance yourself. Like this, you have to jump on one foot 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. I can see everybody trying. Now the second leg. Turn for the second leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good.
Shruti ma'am, my voice is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
जब निष्ठा मैम बेबी थी ना, आपके जितनी छोटी थी, तो एक गेम होती थी उसको, अभी तो हमने बोला वन जंप ऑन वन फुट, उसको बोलते थे लंगड़ी टांग, और 1 फुट पे हमें वॉक भी करना होता था। अभी तो हम जंप कर रहे हैं। कोई कर सकता है 1 फुट पे वॉक? जल्दी से वॉक करके आगे आगे जाओ। 1 फुट पे करना है लेकिन।
मैम माय वीडियो इज ट्रू।
देखो 1 फुट पे कौन जंप कर सकता है? जंप तो सब कर सकते हैं, वॉक कर सकते हैं। श्रुति मैम आप कर सकते हो क्या 1 फुट पे? Yes, anyone can do? Shruti ma'am, my voice is coming now.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you do jump on 1 foot की जगह walk on 1 foot? लंगड़ी टांग करके क्या जंप हो सकती है?
Ma'am, I can try.
बेबी जल्दी से ट्राई करके देखो, क्या हम जम कर सकते हैं आगे तक? जैसे मम्मा को पूछो, मम्मा स्टेपू खेलती थी पहले बचपन में, तो मम्मा को जरूर आता होगा ये करना। मम्मा कैन easily do this jumping on one foot. जंप करते 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 वॉक कर सकती है मम्मा तो। यस आदिका, वेल ट्राइड। कृष्णा वेरी गुड, रियांश भी कर रहा है। तो आपने क्या करना है, आज प्रैक्टिस करना, 1 फुट पे हम कैसे होल्ड कर सकते हैं, कैसे जंप कर सकते हैं, ओनली ऑन 1 फुट। ओके, वेरी गुड, दैट इज द ग्रॉस मोटर स्किल फॉर योर बॉडी कोऑर्डिनेशन। और फिर अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगेगा ना, तो मैम आपको एक स्टेपो वाली गेम भी सिखा देंगी, ठीक है? यस, तो आज प्रैक्टिस करके देखना कि बॉडी कोऑर्डिनेट हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही। जंपिंग के साथ मूव भी करना है आपने। ओके डन? यस, yes, over to you Sangeeta ma'am.
Yes ma'am, good morning to all my kids. Quickly take out your maths notebook. Today we are doing some maths. We are already done 1 to 100 counting. So today we are doing 51 to 100 counting, right? 51 to 100 counting. So quickly take out your maths notebook. Yes, Shruti ma'am, my voice is coming now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So quickly take out your maths notebook. Today we are doing 51 to 100 counting, right? So in your maths notebook, first you have to write the date on the left side. Today is 29 Jan, right? Yes. Now write with me 51 to 100 counting. Start from 51. 51, 52, 53, and what comes after 53? 54, 55, and what comes after 55? 56, 57, now what comes after 57? 58, 59, and last 60. Quickly write 51 to 60 counting. You have to write top to bottom vertically. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
Yes beta, and you have to follow the rule, you need to listen to the sound. 51 पहले 5 की साउंड आ रही है, फिर 1 की आ रही है, तो it will be 51 is 5-1. तो आपने हमेशा बोलते बोलते लिखना है 51, 52, 53, और जिसने लिख लिया 60 तक जल्दी से मैम को शो कर दो, the one who has written 51 to 60. Very good Rishna, very fast. Who else has written? Yes, very good Altamash. Shall we move forward for 61 to 70? Okay, 1 more minute will wait for you.
Yes. Now next 61 to 70 counting. Right? Yes. Write with me. 61, 62. You need to listen sound and write. 61, 62, 63, 64, and what comes after 64? 65, 66, 67. After 67, which number will come? 68, 69, and last 70, 70. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Yes, right. 61 to 70.
बोलो मैम, I have completed 70.
Ma'am, I have completed 70.
Yes, very good, Adrika. 61 to 70 counting you have complete. Good.
यहाँ पर भी लिख देती हूँ, कंप्लीट हो जाएगा.
Those who have completed till 70, they can themselves start with 71. उनको मैम की हेल्प की बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं है. Start with 71. Very good. Slowly you can write. Okay. कोई भी mistake नहीं करनी. Listen to the sound and then write.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
Yes, ma'am.
आद्रिका की मम्मा बोल रही हूँ.
हाँ जी मैम.
मैम एक चीज आपसे पूछनी है कि ये आता है, इसको सब है, लिख देगी फटाफट, बट 3 हो, 4 हो, 5 हो, 7 हो, सब उल्टे बनाती है.
अभी एक बार दिखा दो आद्रिका, जो मैंने देखा
First-
उसमें तो मुझे नहीं दिखा.
मैंने वो तो इरेज करती गई ना बीच बीच में मैं.
अच्छा, तो आद्रिका
हाँ, जैसे
आप
7
क्या करेंगे?
7 बनाएगी.
डिक्टेशन दीजिए.
अच्छा,
सिर्फ 1 to 10 की डिक्टेशन होगी आद्रिका की रोज.
अच्छा.
ओके मम्मा, आप सिर्फ 1 to 10 की डिक्टेशन लेना और कोई भी डिक्टेशन नहीं लेना.
आता है, इसको कब से आता है? 4 मंथ बिफोर से 100 तक आता है. और जब भी ये बनाएगी, स्टार्टिंग में इसने 51 से 60 तक की लाइन में सारे 2 भी उल्टा बनाए. इतनी एक्सपर्ट है, इतनी स्पीडली बना देगी ना उल्टा.
तो आद्रिका अब हम बहुत सोच के बनाएंगे कि 5 को लिखना है तो कैसे लिखना है उसको. ठीक है, उल्टा 5
हर एक चीज का
लिखेंगे. ओके,
सारा है. तो वही मैंने कहा आपसे पूछूं कि मैं इसको कैसे ठीक करवाऊं.
आप इसकी डिक्टेशन सिर्फ 1 to 10 की लो, बस बाकी सारा इसको आता है.
ओके, ठीक है मैम.
और
थैंक यू मैम.
स्पेशली ये जो थोड़ी से मिरर इमेज वाले होते हैं ना, 2, 5, इनकी ज्यादा ले लो.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है आद्रिका, अब हम सोच के लिखेंगे, बहुत जल्दी जल्दी नहीं करेंगे कोई भी काम. ऑलरेडी हम फर्स्ट आ रहे हैं. ओके,
थैंक यू मैम.
ठीक है. ओके.
Okay, shall we start 71 to 80? Write with me. 71, 72, 73. And what comes after 73? 74, 75, 76. After 76, 77, 78. After 78, 79. And last 80, 80. Again, I'm repeating 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Right, sir?
Very good, Rahitya. Very good, Aram Kumar. Good work, Shivai Sharma. Very good, Altamash. Anika, I'm not able to see your video, beta. Anika. And I'm not able to see your work also. Within a day or two, ma'am will send you a date sheet. मैम आपको आपके oral assessment की और dictation की date sheet भेजने वाली हैं, okay?
Yes. Shall we start next line?
Very good. All my babies are very good. Everybody is saying, ma'am, I have.
Yes. Shall we start next line? 81 to 90. Yes, write with me. 81. 82. 81, 82, 83. 81, 82, 83. And what comes after 83? 84, 85. And what comes after 85? 86.
Very good, Drishna.
87. 88. What comes after 88? 89. And last 90. 90. Again, I'm repeating 81, 82, 83,
Mama,
84,
ma'am, is done.
85, 86,
Ma'am,
Very good, Riyansh.
87, 88,
Very good.
89, 90. Yes, all babies doing very good. Yes, right, 81 to 90.
Sangeeta ma'am, please unmute.
Yes. Shall we start next? 91 to 100. 91 to 100. Right? Write with me. 91.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Very good.
Very good, Anika. I have completed. Okay, stop.
Yes, 91.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Yagvi is not speaking.
Yagvi, are you writing? Show me your work, what you have written. Very good.
'91, '92, '93, '94. And what comes after 94? 95, 96, 97. After 97, 98,
Very good, Anam.
99, and last 100. 100.
Yes, mother of Drishna, ma'am, I have sent you one chat.
Yes, again I'm repeating 91, 90.
Yes, everybody has done till 100. Yes, very good. I can see most of you have completed your work. Very good. Shall we start with the other thing? Show me a thumbs up those who have completed the work till 100. Very good. I can see most of you have completed. Okay. Rabia beta thoda head ऊपर करो अपना. हमारी आईज और हमारी नोटबुक में 1 arm distance should be there. हम अपनी कॉपी के अंदर जाके नहीं लिखेंगे. Okay. Otherwise our eyes will get weak. Drishna, tell your mama I have sent one message to her.
Did you say something?
Ma'am, I have sent one chat to you.
Okay, one message in WhatsApp.
No, on this chat only, Zoom. Yes, shall we proceed further? Okay. Yes, Sangeeta ma'am, you can proceed further for the next activity.
Yes, ma'am. Leave your English notebook. Leave your math notebook. Take out your English notebook. Yes, take out your English notebook. We have already done so many small cursive letters, right? So today we're doing some activity. Yes, Shrutyam, please share the activity sheet.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Alphabet matching. Match the capital letters to small letters, right? capital letters to small letters. We have already done baby letters, small cursive letters. Today we are doing matching capital to small letters, right? Yes, quickly take out your English notebook. In left side you have to write capital letters, right side you have to write small cursive letter, and then match, right? Yes.
Yes, everyone. Before ma'am starts with the, okay, ma'am is starting with it. Okay. Yes, Sangeeta ma'am, you can proceed on your board.
Yes. First, left side you have to write capital letters, and right side you have to write small cursive letters, and we will match. Capital A, capital A, very small cursive A. We will match small cursive A. This is baby A. Apple. Right?
Yes. बेटा हम सबको पता है ना कैपिटल अल्फाबेट कौन सा है और उसका बेबी अल्फाबेट. वी नीड टू मैच इट. वी जस्ट वांट टू सी कि बेबीज को कितना लर्न हो गया है. ओके.
Yes. Next, which letter is this? Letter B. B. And the phonic sound of B is ba. And very small cursive B. We'll match small cursive B. Right? Next, capital C.
आगे करो.
Rabia, please mute yourself.
Yes. Now next, capital C. C ka cat. C ka cat. Very small cursive T. Small cursive C. C ka cat. C ka cup. Next, D.
Very good, Rahitya.
Yes. Where is D? We will match small cursive D. Baby D. Next, E. E as
Very good,
elephant.
Drishna.
Yes, very good, Aram. Yes, all babies doing very good. Very small cursive E. We will match small cursive E. You can take any letters A, B, C, D, E, G, H, I to match small cursive letters, right?
Very good, Reyansh.
I'm done, ma'am.
Good. Complete your work and then it's time for brainstorming. उसके बाद मैम आपसे कुछ questions पूछने वाली हैं. Whatever content we have covered up in the month of January. Okay. So be ready. You have 1 minute to complete your work. Okay.
I have completed, ma'am.
Very good, Adrika, that you have completed your work. Good job. Yes, okay. Adrika, you have completed your work. The first question is for you. Okay, name 2 things which we can see in the sky during daytime.
ये मैं स्काई में क्या देखता हूँ?
ये क्या? Birds.
तेज बोलो.
Very good.
Birds.
Right.
And
Am I done? Aeroplane.
Right, very good. Sun also you can see. Very good, very good, very good, Riyan, that you have completed. Now everyone stop writing and be ready for the questions. Stop writing, keep your notebooks aside. Sit straight with your back straight and arms folded. Be like my disciplined children, okay? Yes, very good. Next question is for you, Riyansh. Name any two things which you can see in sky during night time.
Go. Star.
Very good. Stars and
Moon.
very good. Moon and stars. Next question is for Drishna. Drishna, you have to name any two water transport.
वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट बोलो जो पानी
Boat.
और
What else? Very good.
Submarine.
मैम को देखो
Submarine.
Submarine.
Very good. Good girl. Next question is for Altamash. Altamash, you need to name any two land transport, road transport.
सही से रखिए हाँ बोलिए
Yes. Very good. Next question is for Aram Kumar. Aram, what is the national language of our country, India?
national language
हमारी कौन सी भाषा है? National language. Very good, Hindi. And what is the capital of India? Aram, what is capital of India?
New Delhi.
Very good, New Delhi. Next question is for Rabia. Rabia, name any two air transport.
Air transport.
yes no
Aeroplane. Rocket. Aeroplane.
Very good, it's aeroplane and rocket. So it was a very quick question answer round. और सबने बहुत अच्छा बोला and we are ending up our January month now. Okay, next जब हम मिलेंगे तब February start हो जाएगा. Wow. Now it's time to say bye bye to your teacher.